Jen and Raven! That was so good. Alright, so today we are back with another awesome video. And we are doing waxing. So, yeah, we're going to do that. So, and we're going to do a few other areas. We decided we're going to do two areas on her and 2 areas on me. It's only fair. So I did get sent this product for review. I'm going to do like a little unboxing for you, go over everything that is inside, and I will also have the link for this item down below in the description box if you want to get your own. But the best way to review it is to try it. So let's try it. Let me show you what exactly this is and what comes in it. Alright guys, so this is the Bfull Professional Wax Warmer, and this is what it comes with. We come in peace with the wax things, or the dispense. What are those things? Depressors? They're I don't know. Okay.
Sticks.
Yeah, they're sticks. Wooden sticks. And you get beads. You get 4 different color beads to try. And we decided that we are going to use the pink ones for today. And then, of course, you have the wax warming pot with removable thing for cleaning purposes, like a little bucket. You control the temperature. And then we have our little things. I'm not sure about those. And we have our instructions. And then these little collars, I guess you are supposed to put it over top of here so that it doesn't make a mess when you're pulling it out. So let's get this thing started. Ooh, she's nice and melty and gooey and ready to go. Yes. Alright, so the wax is melted. And it says to test out a little bit for the temperature on your wrist. Kind of like you do a baby bottle. And see, make sure it's not too hot before you put it somewhere else, especially for your underarms. I'm scared. It's just 240 degrees.
Is it hot?
Well, it's not that bad. It's warm, but it's not too hot. So then, this is basically, okay, so the cool thing about this wax kit is that it's, the wax itself dries. There's no, like, strips, like the paper things. You don't put those on it, you just let it dry. Yeah, and then you peel it off in the opposite direction of the hair growth. I think that's what it said. Yeah, feel it. See, it's like hard.
Oh wow,
it's like a hard. That dried pretty quick too.
Yeah, it did.
Oh, I'm scared to rip it off now. That wasn't part of the deal. Oh, that wasn't bad because there's no hair. That was a lot easier than what I thought.
Yes.
Okay, so also as part of the process is the area has to be clean. No oils, no lotions, no deodorant, anything like that. So,
I washed it all.
And she just washed everything. She also let it grow real good. So it should pull it off nice and easy. Maybe
Lord.
the warmth will feel good.
Are you sure? Because
No, I've never done this before. That's why she's my best friend, because she lets me do this kind of stuff for her.
That's because I love her, yes.
Should I just go for the
Just
whole
go
thing?
for it.
The whole thing?
Yep. Ow! It is hot!
It's not that hot.
It is to my underarm.
Okay, ready?
Yep. Ah! This is really hot.
Is that the
Look, she's trying to burn me.
Is that the smell? Is that your melted skin?
We're like spiders. Look at the cobwebs.
Okay, one more, okay? And then that should be good.
Ow! Mother freaker!
I love you!
I love you too.
Oh.
It's so hot. Really? I thought you said it was one more.
Hold on. Well, you want it to, it's got
There we go.
Right, those right there.
I had to pick the most sensitive spot on my body.
She's got 2 of them.
Yep.
Oh, and I put 1 full bag of the things in here, so we'll see how many waxes each bag gets. Okay, and the other thing that's kind of crappy is it's kind of a wrinkly area, you know? I mean, I tried to straighten it. You got a few little hairs down here that we didn't get.
Go ahead, just get it.
You don't want to tweeze it or something later?
I can shave it. I can shave it.
Okay, we'll do that.
I'll shave it.
Okay.
Hot, yes.
All right, so this part, it dries really quick, so that's cool. Okay, you ready?
Yes.
All right, it's all, seems pretty hard.
Oh my God.
Oh,
She's laughing.
I'm with
because she
Judy, what
knows.
that lady did to me. She didn't even count down. She was like, okay.
That's what I get for laughing at her.
This is when I got my neck waxed. If you guys did not see that video, go check it out in the iCards up above.
And you'll see why this is karma for me.
Hold on, I gotta get a grip. Are you ready? Oh my God! Well, it's hard because it's a big piece. It's working really good though.
Just rip it off. I can't breathe. Did you get it all off?
Yeah, kind of.
Oh my God. Oh, yeah. Forget the warm rag, get cold.
Yeah.
Because it was on fire after you ripped it off. Did it get any hair?
Yeah.
Oh, wow.
You got some residual glue though.
That's some nasty stuff.
Yeah.
Like I'm all wrinkly. Yeah, that did not feel good. And now I'm about to get my other arm.
Hold on, I'm getting it warm.
Next, we're doing your butt. You'll spread them cheeks, girl. I'm all like trying to make sure my Bengo arm isn't hanging.
your Vango.
My bingo. I gotta wax them so when I do bingo, everybody can see how sexy my underhits look.
Okay, ready?
Yes.
Is it still as hot?
Not as hot as a while ago. A while ago was hotter. Maybe you got like down at the bottom or something.
Well, because I turned it down a little bit. I turned it back to 160 instead of 240. Oh, you got lots of hair right there.
Oh God.
The professionals, that anyone on my channel that does this professionally is like cringing right now. They're like, what are you doing?
All right, Jenny, you gotta blow me now.
Okay.
Getting a blowjob. You know, if we were in a relationship, I'd be the man, right?
I mean, when we sing, you do the guy part.
I do. Very manly. Until it comes to pain, and then I'm not.
Have any of you ever gotten your underarms waxed? Okay, I gotta get a grip on it.
God, this. Ow.
You sound like a chihuahua.
Chihuahua. Raven.
Yeah. What?
Are you ready?
Yes.
Rip it off like a band-aid. 1, 2.
And you didn't even get it off.
I'm trying. Okay,
Mother
ready?
Raven.
That looks really good. All the hairs are gone.
Whoa.
So much better.
Ow. Ow. Normally I just shave them. And I'll stick to shaving.
Well, you'll have to update us and let us know how long it takes for the hair to grow back after waxing under there.
Yeah, it's not worth it though to me.
Would you do it again?
No.
If it lasted longer?
No. I'll stick to shaving.
That looks good though.
Thank you.
Yes. Okay. Alright, I'll throw this away.
My big boobies take up most of the camera. I look like a truck driver. Bird air, man. Would you like a beer? I'm just teasing her husband.
Is that why you and Eric get along so well?
Yeah.
That trucker life.
Yeah.
Are you ready? We're gonna do my arm because I don't know where else to do. Okay, you ready? And I did wipe it and clean it and everything, so. I just do like however big you want to do. I think right here's got more hair. Oh you look like, oh. Okay, that's not bad. That kind of feels good.
Oh, well, cranky.
It's pulling the hair. Here, let's raise it so you can see.
I'm getting her back.
Why?
Okay.
Okay.
Now we got it. You blow me.
Chips ahoy.
I'm just saying.
YouTube's gonna be like, no ads for you.
Is it hard?
That's what she said. Oh my god, that hurts.
Get up closer. I gotta get your face in here.
That hurts so. Oh my god, that hurts
You
so
ready?
bad. How did you not scream? Oh, that. Oh. Ow! Fuck. That hurts so bad.
I know. I did. I was squealing and making weird noises.
I didn't think it would hurt that bad right there. Oh my gosh.
Oh, you were trying to get out easy, huh? Well, because
I mean,
she has
is that-
blonde hair, you can't really see it.
Is it practical though for legs? You know, like for the summer, that might be kind of a.
Yeah, okay. I could do your leg.
You can kind of see the hairs.
Yeah.
You're just smiling at the satisfaction of putting me in pain.
Yeah, because I know what it feels like now.
Alright, now we're gonna let it dry. You'll see it. You say you look like a trucker, I look like a linebacker. And
No, you don't. Should we go
I
upward?
think, you know, this is just a permanent fixture now. And I'm just gonna leave it. You don't have to
No,
leave it.
nope. It's got to come off. Mine did, hers does.
Oh,
I hadn't barely touched it.
What is this? No more Doritos, you blind.
Raven.
You ready?
Ow!
Her blonde hair, isn't she lucky? Mine's black, so you can see it. Especially where I'm pale. I need a tan.
That was good. And there was actually tons of wax still left in there, so there's more than enough in just one bag to do lots of waxings. So, yeah.
You will be on my mind, or shall I say my underpants all week.
You're gonna think of me every time you feel the pain.
Which is a constant burn.
Why are you burning? Jenny made me burn.
You
that
gave
sounds
me the burn. Ew.
No, it sounds so bad. Alrighty guys, well I hope that you have enjoyed our pain and this video. Thank you for doing this awesome stuff and for doing it to me. This seems like a really great product. I mean, would you recommend the product itself?
Yeah, I would.
I mean, it works really good. You do have to make sure your skin is clean or it's not going to grip the hair like it should. But other than that, it's great for the price that you get it for. It's super awesome. Again, the link will be just below in the description box. So yeah. Alright, well, if you guys have liked the video, give us a big thumbs up. Thumbs up. And if you're not already, what are you doing with your life?
Right?
Subscribe right
Yeah.
there. Subscribe for more awesome videos. And if you want to see us do any more videos, or you have any ideas, like some fun challenges for us, leave them in the comments below and let us know what you want us to do. Are you up for that?
I'm down.
Okay. Alrighty, well, see you guys on my next one. Okay, bye.